Hello everyone. Today's topic is generations of computer. First of all, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes input, processes it according to the input and shows the result or output. It can perform arithmetical as well as logical operations. Arithmetical operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logical operations means greater than, less than, true, false. Generations of computer. There are 5 generations of computer, and generations are identified by their processing device. First generation. In first generation, vacuum tube or valve was used as a processing device. In second generation, transistors were used. In third generation, integrated circuit was used. Fourth generation, microprocessor was used as a processing device. Fifth generation, artificial intelligence. So, what is integrated circuit? In integrated circuit, 100 transistors were compressed on a single chip. मतलब 100 ट्रांजिस्टर्स को कंप्रेस करके एक चिप में इम्बेड किया जाता था, तो वो इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट कहलाता है। तो जो इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट है वो ट्रांजिस्टर्स से साइज में काफ़ी छोटा होता था। और जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन है उसका जो मेन फीचर्स थे वो है वेरी कॉस्टली, जनरेटेड लॉट ऑफ हीट, स्लो इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस, ह्यूज साइज, नॉन पोर्टेबल, consumed lot of electricity. And in second generation, computers were smaller, faster, cheaper, more energy efficient, more reliable compared to first generation. Same with the third generation, computers were smaller, faster, cheaper, more energy efficient, more reliable compared to second generation. And the same with fourth generation and fifth generation. First generation. In first generation, computers worked manually. The size of the computers were too large. The hardware which were used were also too large. Example, UNIVAC, ENIAC, IDSAC, IDVAC, Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, IBM 700, IBM 901. Try to memorize all these examples. It is very important from the exam point of view. First generation. Examples, UNIVAC. Universal Automatic Computer, also known as UNIVAC 1. It was first used in USA for census in 1951. It was first commercial computer. So, world's first commercial computer is UNIVAC. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It is world's first electronic computer, that is ENIAC. IDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. IDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Second generation. A single transistor was used in second generation for processing the data. Examples, IBM 1401, IBM 1602, IBM 1620, IBM 1107, IBM, also known as International Business Machine, it is of USA. IBM is also known as Big Blue. Third generation. In third generation, 100 transistors were used. Integrated circuit, also known as large-scale integration, chip and combination of 100 transistors. Silicon is used for making the chip. Nowadays, polysilicon is used. Computers were categorized in this generation. Fourth generation. In fourth generation, very large scale integration and ultra large scale integration were used. In 1981, IBM introduced its first computer for the home user. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, first graphic user-based computer, was introduced by Apple. Ultra-scale integration, number of transistors were greater than 1000. In very large scale integration, number of transistors were 1000. In large scale integration, number of transistors is 100. In small scale integration, number of transistors are between 2 to 99. Command user interface. In command user interface, commands are used to operate the computer. Contents are shown in the form of text. Keyboard is used as input device. It represents ending of third generation and beginning of fourth generation. तो कमांड यूजर इंटरफेस में जो यूज़र जो इंटरैक्ट करता था कंप्यूटर से, इंटरफेस मतलब इंटरैक्टिंग विद द कंप्यूटर, तो जो इंटरैक्शन होता था वो कमांड्स के थ्रू होता था, और कमांड्स वो टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में रहता था. जैसे अगर कोई फाइल ओपन करना तो उसके लिए अलग कमांड होता था, अगर 2 डिजिट्स को ऐड करना उसके लिए अलग कमांड, हर चीज़ के लिए अलग अलग कमांड होता था, उससे ऑपरेट होता था. और इसमें कीबोर्ड का यूज़ होता था एज ए इनपुट डिवाइस. Graphical user interface. In graphical user interface, icons are used to operate the computer. Mouse is used as input device. It represents fourth generation. Graphic user interface is more user friendly than command user interface. Icon. What is an icon? It is a graphical format of files and folders. तो ये ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस है. इसमें कंप्यूटर से इंटरैक्ट करने के लिए ग्राफिक्स का यूज़ किया जाता था, जैसे कि अगर कोई फाइल ओपन करना है तो डायरेक्टली फाइल जो फोल्डर बना है उसमें क्लिक कर दीजिए जो ग्राफिक फॉर्म में है. तो ये ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. फिफ्थ जनरेशन. Important examples of fifth generation are speech recognition system, intelligent computer, decision making robots, expert computers, different types of sensors. Blaise Pascal is the inventor of calculator. The first calculating machine is abacus. It is invented by Chinese in China. There are some questions. First, which of the following replaced vacuum tube? Correct answer is option A, that is transistor. In production of integrated circuit chip of computer, what is needed? Correct answer is option B, silicon. Which generation was developed by the discovery of integrated circuit? Correct answer is option C, that is third generation. Characteristics of fifth generation computer is, correct answer is option B, that is artificial intelligence. Fifth, first graphic user based computer was introduced in, option B, 1984. Thank you for watching.